Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 16 Pro in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the quick way, it's going to be locating the volume up, which is directly under your action button, and then this big side button. All you're going to do is press and hold these two buttons at the same time simultaneously for about a few seconds, and a menu will pop up, which you can simply slide to turn off. Now that's going to be method number one. Now if you can't get that to work, then method number two, it's going to be going directly in your setting and then going to general and scroll all the way down where it says shutdown, and you can also turn off by sliding it right here. And finally, if you didn't want to use both of these other methods, you can also use Siri. If you have Siri enabled, simply activate Siri by this side button, or simply say, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone." Yes. And Siri will basically ask you to confirm, and then you'll be able to go ahead and turn off your iPhone using any of these methods. Now you might be wondering, of course, how do I turn it back on? Well, that's going to be easy. You're just going to hold on to this side button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Now if that doesn't work, just simply connect it to the charger, and it will also turn it back on if it's turned off automatically, because that's how they're designed to turn back on. And that's how you turn off your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.